Hello, today we're going to be talking about SCCM 1810 update rollup number 2. Yes, there's another update to 1810, kind of a bad, update for Microsoft. So I want to talk about some of the things that this particular update fixes. So with that, let's get started. First thing I want to just talk about is some of a few things that this update resolves. I'll put a link in the description in the comment section below so you can read more about the updates and some of the other things that it fixes. I just wanted to list highlight just a few here. So one of the things is the computer client inactivity report is being an internet when they receive a 401 redirect request from the internet facing network. The send a smile and send a frown feedback options are updated to support the TLS 1.2. Windows Server 2019 updates are not shown in the wizard when scheduling updates for the offline servicing of the OS image. Pull DP, if you have a pull DP, may fail to download packages data with errors resembling issues in the pull dp.log file that says something like unable to read DP location or rank. The software 6A report search software installed does not return any data. So basically you get a blank value, nothing is returned. So those are some of the things that was highlighted that this update will resolve that was caused by the 1810 update. So with that, let's get started. So I'm going to show you how to do this update and how to install this update. So with that, I'm going to need to go over to my SCCM server. And as you can see, I need to go ahead and log into it. And as you can see, I have this update. This is the update we're talking about, the KB4488598. Again, I'm going to put that link in the description for you so you can review it and read. So basically, I always like to do my prerequisites to make sure there's no issues before continuing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And as you can see, the prerequisite check passed. And again, this is a roll-up, so it's not going to take a whole lot of time to install this. So let's go ahead and install this update. And again, when you install the update, it's going to do another prerequisite check. It's just a habit. I just like doing that. There we go. Yeah. I don't want to ignore it. I want to see if there's any, but we already know it's going to pass. You got to accept the terms. Next. And close. Now this is going to, now again, as you can see, it's doing another prerequisite check. And then once it goes through that, it's going to, start the installing of the update. And you can actually monitor the progress by checking the update log, as well as in here in the monitoring section. And as you can see, this is a roll-up. So right now you can see it is checking updates. You can show status up here, and it'll tell you kind of where it's at. And as you can see, it's just now starting the installation. And then also, if you wanted to look at the logs, to kind of look at that, you can launch your CM trace. And the log file that you're interested in looking at is the CM update log. There it is. It's one of them. And you can look there and see, if you're having any issues, this is where you would go look to see what those issues are. It'll be in this particular log file. But there shouldn't be any issues with this particular update. But if you do have them, it'll be here. So I'm just going to let this run here. And when you do click on the installation, it kind of brings down a whole list of things that it's going through. And as you can see, it's started the installation. It's going through and it's checking some things, validating some stuff, checking the readiness, checking service window. It's doing a bunch of stuff. So if you want to see all the things that it does, you can just go in here and take a look. Okay, once it's done installing, when you go close out your console, you'll see this message that now the console needs to be upgraded. So it's going to do that right now. It's going to start to upgrade the console version. And this usually takes a few minutes, doesn't take that long. As you can see, it's now installing. It has to download the files first, and then it does the install. Once this is finished, it'll launch the console automatically. And in this version, because it's a roll-up, you will need to upgrade your clients to the newer version and update your boot images. And if you want to know how to update your boot images, I have another video that talks about how to do that. And there it goes, it's launching. Alright, so if we go to Help About, you'll see that it's now been upgraded. It's still the 8740, but if you look at so it'll be 8740 1042 is a version that will mine will upgrade in the next couple of days. So if I go into the devices, I just have a handful. Now most large organizations will do that over a couple of week period. You don't have to do it right away. So right now my client version is 871031, and it'll be upgraded to 871042. Now at this point I'm going to go ahead and upgrade my boot image. And again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That's basically all you have to do to upgrade to the hotfix rollup 2. And again, 1902 has just been released, and you may not need to do this particular update. You may just want to go straight to the 1902. I am going to do a video on how to do that. That's a huge upgrade. It's a much bigger upgrade. It's more of a normal upgrade rather than just a quick little hot fix. Again, if you have any questions about this video, or if you have any concerns or issues, let me know in the comment section below. Again, subscribe to my channel. There's going to be a lot more content coming. I'm still working on a how to create and capture a reference image for Windows 10 and some other stuff coming up. So stay tuned for that. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.